What's up, guys? It's been a while, but we're gonna attempt to break it apart right now. See how far we get. It's kind of dark, but I mean, I got some free time, so I might as well start on it a little bit. So, time to break it down. I don't know if I'm gonna record everything because it might take me a while, and then, you know. So I'll just let you guys know right now the little stuff I take out. Ugly. That's not good. Yeah, that's all bad. Bunch of gunk. I'll put these in there. Let's see the next part, which will be the fuel lines and the fuel rails. That's the next part. So we got the fuel rails and the fuel lines out. Right there. I mean, that's a small step, but something. But we'll keep going. What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. I don't remember the last time I recorded, but this is following up all the other little videos. But I'm officially now gonna start the build. Well, hopefully. But I just ordered some parts, so we're gonna start getting on it. On Instagram, I'll be posting some of the parts that I get, and then I'll still keep doing a little bit of the videos, taking this apart. I'm gonna try to get it painted and myself and stuff, make it look a little nicer. So stay tuned. Hopefully, I don't have too much of a hard time with this. But we're gonna get down on it. So until next time, either when I'm taking the parts off or when I get my my parts in, I'll show you guys as they come in, so you guys can see what's. You guys can put it all together and see what's going on. We still got this one though, just chilling. That other one, that's just collecting dust for now. But soon, this will be in it. Till next time.